In May 2020, Minnesota Governor Tim Walz imposed a curfew requiring residents to stay indoors during certain hours, and law enforcement was tasked with enforcing it. Minneapolis officers using paintballs, pepper balls, and other less lethal projectiles against residents on their porches. A video captured by a resident showed. Shown at the end of this video, law enforcement officers patrolling a neighborhood and instructing people to go inside their homes. When some residents did not comply immediately, officers fired paintballs at them. The footage, which quickly went viral, depicted the officers shouting, "Get inside," before shooting the projectiles. This incident highlighted the tensions between law enforcement and the community. Critics argue that the use of such force against individuals who were not actively participating in the protests and were on their own property was excessive and unwarranted.
Oh, there's more. Look at this. They just keep coming.
Go inside! Get inside! Get inside! Get inside! Get in your house now! Let's go! Light him up! Go inside now! Get inside! Get in the house!
Get in, get in, get in, get in, get in, get in! Get in!
Oh, God, that hurt. You good?
Are you okay?
Right on the fucking crotch.
Are you okay? You got hit?
I'm good. They're fucked for that, dude. What?
Okay.